Hey guys, Rishi here. So, as you can see, we're back on Robinhood and we're up an additional 5,000 to what we were yesterday. And there's more coming because an angel investor, aka my dad, uh, liked the videos, I'm guessing, and would like to see more and see what I could do with the 10K. Start hopefully saving up so I can get retired faster than he is. Well, he likes working, so I don't think he'll retire anytime soon. But with the newfound money that we got, I decided to buy 100 shares of Soaring Eagle. So once Ginkgo uh, merges with Soaring Eagle acquisition, then we'll be in a very good position because I have 100% guarantee that this could easily go 2x, so $20 minimum. So right now market cap is 2.16 billion, and if you watched the last video, I showed you guys how to like figure out the price potential based on market cap comparing to like other competitors. But one of them one of the competitors that Ginkgo is competing with is CRISPR, and CRISPR right now is at 10.42 billion. So that's an easy 5x just from where it is. So around a $50 share price per share. So CRISPR, I have this one in my Roth, which I've also maxed out with the money given to me, which is very fortunate. I am very happy because now I can spend my money just maxing out my Robinhood, get that going because there's only so much you can invest a year in your Roth. If you under 50, only 6,000. If you make less than like $150,000, and then if you're over 50, you have 7,000 you can put in a year. So, and it's calendar year, so even if you start investing like November, you still have like a month. Well, if you start November 1st, you have 2 months to put 6,000 in, and then you can put another 6,000 in starting the January of the next year. So that's 500 a month. Just easy, send it in there. If you max out your Roth IRA just on its own, that's more than enough for saving up for retirement if you start early. So I'm just trying to do a little bit more because, I like this is like my addiction, I guess. Okay, so in addition to Soaring, I also bought a share of Enphase, 25 shares of Concord Acquisition Corp, which is basically another blank check company that's going to merge with Circle. And Circle is the company that actually created the USDC stablecoin. And the stablecoin basically is crypto that pegs to the US dollar. So it's when you're in Bitcoin and then you want to exchange it out for actual dollar amount currency just to wait out like a dip or hold it until Bitcoin dips and then you can like put your USDC into Bitcoin, trade like that. So that's why stablecoins are very, very, very important in the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem. So Circle is one of the largest companies in the cryptocurrency sector. Circle was founded in 2013 by Jeremy Allaire and Sean Neville. And basically, they have their own app and everything where you'll be able to like send money like Apple Pay basically. So they're gonna get a $276 million SPAC cash and trust and 415 in the pipe investment. So very bullish. Concord as well, same thing. Start off $10. It's a good price to start most of these very very uh, young companies. So 25 shares, not bad. Hopefully I'll get that to 100 too. So I'll have these two as like long term, high value, like buying Tesla at like 300 a share kind of stocks. But speaking of Tesla, I have a share of Tesla in here too. It's been dropping recently because it peaked up here. Um, but it's always a good time to get into the market no matter where. So it'll easily go back to 1,000. I have no doubt in that. With all the technological advances they're doing, they have Elon Musk, one of the smartest people in the world. So, well, I wouldn't say smartest, one of the most hardworking people. Yeah, that's for sure. DraftKings debit spread is doing so I'm doing okay. I actually bought an Etsy call, which I think I bought at a decent time. Let's see. Etsy is about, it fell a little bit after earnings yesterday. Well, today it fell. Yesterday it like went up, bounced off this 20 day Bollinger Band, and then dropped back down. So it's chilling right here, which is a You see 1, 2, and then about 3 touches right there. But so it's basically where resistance turned into support. So I think it's a good time to buy. If it breaks through, then I might sell it because I don't know where the floor is going to be. Maybe like right here at like 163. But I'd like to see it, if we see a green candle on Monday, and then I have no doubt that we could probably hit around 210-ish uh, within the short term. And if I do, there's a 205 call. Then we'll be actually in the money, so this could appreciate a decent amount. Like if we look at any of these, any of the in the money calls, I think I did September 24th. Yeah. So if it gets around the price of this, it'll be around maybe like a 3x on my money. So maybe we'll get around 1,000 from it. That'd be very, very, very nice to add to the portfolio. But I also bought 3 shares of Coinbase, so you can see I'm very, very much into crypto and hedging my money against the inflationary dollar. If we look at Strikecoin is doing really well, about 4.6. I did the math by calculating all these buys right here, and I put in about 3.4. So I made about 1,200, which is pretty good just for holding it. It's trading basically sideways. Once staking comes out, I can stake off this 4.6k or whatever, and the price will just increase because no one's going to sell anymore because they're going to be staking long term. So I'm just going to stake it, and then hopefully we'll get this balance all the way up to like 650, 750k, and then once Strikecoin hits $1, because right now the market cap's only 8 million, and if it even comes close to, like, let's say if it hits what Circle is evaluated for, which is 276 million, that's an easy 27x. So there's not much to say about that. So just multiply that by 27, and then we'll see what we get. Yeah, so that's the long-term vision. That's one of my major cryptocurrency holds. I also am holding ADA, and ADA's doing pretty well. Today, I think it's up 1.2%. Bitcoin, 4%. You see a nice pullback, and now it's shooting back up. So I can see us being very bullish in the coming end of this year as well as next year. I most likely believe that we'll be like crab walking a little bit. We won't have like super bullish increases like this where we went up 13% or we went up 11% in like days. I mean, I'm sure we will, but we'll also drop back down relatively in the same week. So I think it'll be a very slow crawl up, but that's what I'm looking forward to. Golden Wools. Let's see. Looks like they dropped the Golden Llamas, which is interesting. Get about 5% APR, daily ROI on that, which is not bad. What's a Bison at? Bison's at 5 as well. I wonder why this one isn't as high. Oh, because the production here is 200 GWO and this one's only 150. But let's look at my sheeps, which is only producing 100, so not the best. But I'm getting about $6 a day. About $26 here. Golden eggs. Sorry, I should have refreshed this before I started the video. But yeah, you can see how many different animal farms there are here, and they go forever. But the longer they go, the more the actual golden eggs or golden diamonds inflate. So we're at 30 here. It's not bad, not bad. Yeah, overall, decent day. Only down about 1% overall. Yeah, about 1.5%. So I'll keep you updated. I'll probably do more buys when more money settles in here, and then when money settles in here too. So I have about like 4k more to buy, and then if I get paid, I'll deposit more. So a lot of buys to come. So if you have any suggestions of stocks I should take a look at, or you think that will be good long term, then please let me know, and I'll definitely take a look at it, maybe even buy it. We'll see. Okay, cool. Please leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys Monday.